Kailangan ko gampanan ko to ng maayos at para po makilala at maalala ako ng tao sa kabutihan ng nagawa ko. Kung mamamatay po ako ngayon, hindi ko magagawa ang aking misyon. Kung kaya, bukas na lang ako mamatay para ma-accomplish ko lahat ng aking mga dapat gawin. And I, thank you.
Palakpak! Isa pa akong question.
niya,
Oo,
kasi-
maganda. May mission din siya eh.
Kasi ambush yung tanong eh. Ibig sabihin,
On the spot. Kaya niya
she
mag-ano.
loves her family.
Kaya
Hindi
niyang lumaban sa
mawala
kuwan.
mundo ng- Yes.
Miss Lanera, no? Balang araw.
Ano nga?
Ito, manager mo, si Sir Emil, pag lumaban
The most
ka.
difficult question that I've ever have heard from the beauty queen or pageantry is that when is the right time to speak and when is the right time to listen?
Ano yung sagot?
Abay, mahirap, di ba? When is the right time to speak and when is the right time to listen? I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that the right time for me to speak is to speak what is true, because truth will always prevail. And the best time and the right time for me to listen is only when a person uses his voice for honesty and integrity, loyalty and sincerity. And I thank you.
Ayun, nakaganda. Okay, I have a question.
Yes.
If you are given the chance to be born again,
Yeah?
and you have the opportunity to choose your gender,
Yeah?
what would it be?
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for that very good, best question. If I were given a chance to be born again, I would ratherly choose to be myself. Because God created me for who I am, and I am accepted who I am, and I'm very happy and contented for being me. And for this, honestly speaking, I have so many friends who love me for who I am, and the best version of myself. And I thank you.
Yay! Kagaling naman. Pwede ka sa Miss Universe, sis.
Miss
Ano?
Gay Kalawakan. Miss Gay Kalawakan number 2, Miss Titi Mini. Hali ka na, huwag ka na mag-iyak. Alam mo, lalaban ka din. Mahusay sumagot?
Oo, the best.